back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a car on Scratch. This was suggested by a person that I met on a live stream, and yeah, so I'll leave their channel in the description if I remember to, but we're going to create a little car like this, you know, like one that can go around the screen, and I might even make it so that if it touches like here, it will go on to the next backdrop. But yeah, so we are going to create a new project on scratch.make.edu. Then let's get into coding. Firstly, we can get rid of that cat. Oopsie. Now, I just went on to paint, but do not do that. But then we're going to scroll down or just search car. Oh yeah, since it's coming near to Valentine's, I may make like a Valentine's one, but then we're gonna get paint on backdrop. Then click on this fade. I like that blue Scratch just gave me. But when we do that, we have the backdrop. Then let's get onto the coding. So we're gonna get out when green flag clicked forever. Let me zoom in for you. Now, see how mine's got black text just come onto here? There's a rational or high contrast, I like that. Then we're going to duplicate this, get two ors, and then duplicate these ors. So make sure it's like that. So then for the first one, we're going to get a key. Where are you? Key, right arrow, or duplicate, D, then change X, change X by 10. Now, if we do that, change it by 10. Or if you we could get a move 10 steps. I don't know how that will go. If I can just set this to 0. Not gonna lie, they both look the same. So I'm just gonna do change X to make my code look a little nicer. Duplicate this. Set this to left or A. Change X by -10. And we also want to add a go to. So 0, 0. Now it goes to 0 every time. Just name this to car. Or whatever car you got. Duplicate this or. Now we're gonna do up arrow or W. TWX, whatever. Duplicate this. Then do the same for down. Down arrow or S. Then we're going to do the same, but gotta change Y and set this to -10. And we're going to get in if on edge bounce. The thing is, if we go to the edge, it bounces like that. So we don't want that. Point. Oh yeah, and we can maybe add some pointing directions to make it a little smoother. Pointing direction, 90 for there. Then duplicate this, set this to negative, and duplicate this. Pointing direction kind of facing up. And for the last one, do 60, I think, no, 180. Then, there you go. You have a little kind of car, but for this, we're gonna get in point direction, set that to backwards and forwards. Now, since Scratch knows, like, keep it in, we can't have it, like, kind of go anywhere. We can't have it, kind of bounce. There you go. So thank you guys for watching. If you want the original project, it will be in the description. And thank you for watching. And I want to say goodbye. And I'll put the one who had the name in, well, had the idea in the description. And thanks. So see ya.